Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Mercedes C-Class. First, make sure your key fob is inside the vehicle. The car's intelligent system needs to detect the key's signal to allow ignition. If your car isn't starting, check the key fob battery. A weak battery can sometimes prevent the system from recognizing the key. Keep the key within a few feet of the ignition for best results. For models equipped with a push-button start, the process is quite straightforward. First, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. This is a crucial safety measure. Then, simply press the Start/Stop engine button located on your dashboard. The engine should then come to life smoothly. If it doesn't, double-check your brake pedal pressure and key fob placement. If your C-Class has a traditional key slot, the process is slightly different. Insert the entire key fob into the ignition slot until it's fully seated. Then, turn the key clockwise to the start position, holding it briefly. As soon as the engine ignites, release the key, and it will spring back to the run position. This method is common in some earlier models. If your Mercedes C-Class still won't start, consider a few troubleshooting steps. First, verify your car battery isn't dead. A jump start might be needed. Also, confirm the transmission is securely in park or neutral, as a safety interlock prevents starting in other gears. For any persistent issues, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for model-specific guidance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.